Okay guys, so today we're going to take a look at how we can share a restaurant's menu using QR codes. So there's two ways to do it. The first way that I'm going to show you, it's completely free, and you basically just upload your menu. In this case it's an image file, but it could be a PDF with many pages and so on. And you bring this to your Google Drive. I'm going to, so that's my Google Drive. I'm going to drag the image into some folder in my Google Drive. So it's going to upload. Once it's done, make sure you click these three dots here and select share, and then share again. Then under general access, make sure you select anyone with the link and copy the link. Now open a new tab and go to qr.io, paste the link, and it's going to generate the QR code. If someone points their phone to this, they're going to be taken to the Google Drive file, and they can download. This only affects the one file you clicked these three dots and copied the link. Other files in the same folder are not going to be shared. Now the second option is using QRIO to upload the PDF file. The only problem with this, or if it's an image file, in my case it's an image, so it could be either. And the only problem with this is that this is a paid service. You have to pay to host your file in this platform. Here you can just hit create now, and the result is much more professional. They actually offer you a custom menu that you can use, or you can just use an image file and hit continue, and then you can customize the colors and the messages. Like I can write menu, and then I can add a website if my business has a website, and then I can select the images. I'm going to select my image and remove the sample images. And once the user uses their phone to scan the QR code, they're going to be brought to this nice little menu here, and it's going to generate this QR code. But this is just going to be active if you have an active plan on qr.io. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.